Acción.
We haven't done a video in a while, but we also don't have a beverage. But we do have so much liquor.
And today we're gonna try just to see what we can come up with for some of the weirder shit that we have.
The first one is this lovely.
Which we'll try and film a twofer.
Oh my gosh.
So what is
Bayou
this? What is
Satsuma.
this crossover episode? So this stinks. Tell the people what this is.
This is orange flavored rum.
Yeah.
More specifically, Satsuma.
It's orange rum liqueur. So let's give it a taste on its own. Deduce its flavor profile. It's disgusting color.
Fluorescent orange.
Yeah. It's like you made a Cheetos infusion. This is what you get.
It sounds awesome. We should be able
It tastes like orange soda. It really does.
Yeah, if you just put rum in some orange soda.
All right, so you make a drink. What are you thinking?
Is the cat outside?
Yes, catch what's that. I have my eyes on them.
I think I'm gonna make it a fizz,
Good choice. Good choice.
which means soda water.
Yeah. You have to sort out your soda stream problem. Maybe shaking egg in there.
Which means there's a lot more prep that I need to do. So you talk about things.
Okay. Really like that fizz idea. That's a good idea. I wish it was mine. I mean, obviously I'm just gonna end up putting in anise and coffee.
I'm gonna put a niece in that.
I'm gonna see if I can take the camera under the bar. And actually, like the lighting won't be great or anything like that, but try and show you what we're working with for options here. Now up here is all rum. Yeah, we have 16 rums. And then down here is more liqueur type things. This I picked up today, no idea what it is. Love that. There's my anise forte, the Kona coffee, that Jaeger substitute that I have, macadamia. There's some blue curacao behind there. Oh, there's some blue curacao in front of there, and then there's amaretto. Yeah. This is our soju, sake, Japanese gin, and mystery beverage section. Into the bourbons. This is my shore doing whiskey, as they call it, Golden Wedding. A couple of gins. Finally, the tequila, the Metaxa, which I love, and my unopened brandy back here. I'm thinking that actually amaretto might work. Let me return camera to tripod. Look at the apartment. Look at the nice day outside. Do a quick one of those. Kind of losing the top of my head here, and I should be a better cinematographer. Oof. It's fucking strong amaretto. This is gonna be like drastically over sweetened with just these two things together. I guess putting in amaretto isn't so drastically different from putting in maraschino, so I'm still not doing anything special. Strengthen that up, and I gotta maybe dash it some bitters. That's Liv off camera hitting a bag of ice with a hammer.
Should have got more ice today.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this time to open my British rum. Very proud of the internationality of the rum collection now. I buy things just so that we have things from different nations. Already forgetting what I have. I bought another Indian rum today. Be like, ooh, an Indian rum. Already have one. It's old monk. This is my London Dock rum, which I now is imported to St. John's. But yeah, I was shocked to find that there's a little Newfoundland and Labrador logo on the cap.
Do you mean the flag?
No, there's a little logo of Newfoundland and Labrador, like a not a map, but a silhouette of the island. Smells like a rum. Which, devoted followers will know I don't like. So why do we have 16 rums and I drink so much goddamn rum? Fucking, that's why. Fuckface. Maybe I don't know. Maybe you can tax it. Alright, you take over, you make your drink.
Alright, so we own one what would be considered a fizz glass. Alistair's using it. So we're using a hurricane glass. Because this rum is from the south.
So this drink's gonna rock you. I like that. Like a hurricane?
I figured it out. Anyway.
We're doing some research over here.
Everything went terribly wrong.
You after that up?
Ooh! The yolk didn't break. We can salvage this.
Can is a strong word. So I might still put anise in mine because it is bitter, and my drink's already extremely sweet.
Doing that with a knife was a terrible idea. I need another egg.
Okay. Well, but you're already now the shaker's already in use. So
Yes, no, it'll take me 2 seconds to get another egg.
Okay.
Just stating that I need another egg.
It's the mine in glass, anyways.
Don't throw out the egg.
Eat it. Drink it.
Hey.
She did drink it. Okay. Since Bayou is supposed to be the star, put in an ounce of that. Didn't give yourself any room to work with here. I wonder if topping this up with ginger beer would be a good idea. I mean, I'm just thinking that because of this dark and stormy, but put in half an ounce of amarettes. put in an ounce of Metaxa to be the strong. I have to use the Metaxa anytime I can as a rum substitute to justify buying it, claiming that I like it. Wish I had something even stronger and more bitter. Like it's so sweet. You can smell the sugar getting into your bloodstream. Let's see if bittering it up. I mean, why don't I just use bitters? Why do I put anise in everything? This would be a good opportunity to use orange blossom water too. I don't know. I do love anise, and I'm just dilly-dallying on camera right now. Put in a half. I'll go ahead and put the lemon. I feel like I should be able to put citrus in mine. Let's see what happens if I top it up with ginger beer right now. It's the most shitty, irresponsible way to make a drink. So, orange rum, Metaxa, anise, ginger beer. Well, it's nothing special. It's not as bad as one might fear. It's nothing special. I'm gonna give it a shot. Get behind the bar. You're tremendous.
My tremendous amount of oh my god, all I smell is anise. So much anise. Give me a second, I'm holding a lot of things.
You can schmooze. You can schmange. That orange crush feeling is just so dominant, especially when you mix it with the effervescence of ginger beer.
I was gonna say the anise and the ginger beer are doing a weird kind of dance.
Anise works with
But
fucking everything. It's...
No, I don't dislike it, I just don't understand it. Why do I have a thing?
Well, that's for me. This is what my drink looks like. Not getting good color on that, but it looks like beer, actually.
It's the color of ginger beer.
Now I'm double-fisted.
Take two on this egg white. And as our regulars know, there is a specific use of this egg yolk that
Must be adhered to.
strict rules we live by. I think I'm going to do
The time warp began.
a jump to the left. I think I'm still gonna put gin in here because I love our gin.
Fair enough.
It's just good. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of this here orangey nonsense. I think I'll use. Use the cow gin. Bertha's Revenge? Bertha's Revenge. Do an ounce of said thing. ounce of lemon juice.
Really feeling for time. Huge lemon.
Huge lemon.
Limoncello. Electro lemon.
Listerine. This food saver doesn't stretch. Okay. Anyway, from our gigantic lemon, squeeze an ounce. It doesn't fit. You sure you don't want some lemon in yours?
If you wind up with... Are you full? You got your half ounce?
I've got an ounce. You're ouncing it. Just...
Just a nice little splish.
Lemon is too large. Okie dokie. Dry cat. Try to shake this bad boy.
I think that might have actually really hurt this drink.
Sorry.
Or it already tastes worse than I remember.
Dangers of emulsifying egg yolks. So fizzy. So gross. Alright. Ice time. Meow, meow, meow.
Move the camera. Move the camera. Never work with children or animals. Well, damn, it looks like a hurricane.
Here I am.
Consider me rocked.
Looks like peaches.
It does. It looks like definitely like peach.
The pièce de resistance.
Get in tight for the thumbnail type shots. It's yellow on camera.
That's unfortunate. It's a beautiful shade of peach.
Yeah.
Yeah, fizz is the way to go with this. It's light, it's effervescent. Makes you want to declare things like, I do declare this straw was not cleaned.
That was off camera and silly.
Yes, so I'm gonna go with a red straw.
No amount of changing the in-camera effect can get it to look peach in camera. But then I do get a different result between the HUD and footage.
I feel like Southern Lady would not go anywhere without her parasol.
You had like 2 drinks.
By lengthening this, you get a lot more funk than I expected from the rum. Given that when you shoot it, it is just orange weirdness. It's also got that creamsicle-iness.
Oh, that's absolutely one of the words I was looking for before.
Creamsicle?
Creamsicle, yeah.
That gin adds a nice little alcoholic bite. Fizz is the way.
Hey, hey, hey. This is the way. Fizz is the way.
If any of you got that joke, I'm proud.
It's also nauseating. Very creamsicle though. How strong is this?
Well, we got
You got an ounce
this?
of gin, yeah. I mean, how strong is the drink in total?
you got an ounce of gin and 2 ounces of the rum. So the answer is yes.
Yeah. It's an interesting. It kind of feels like an absence of a drink though. Like there's not enough there to comment on. Like it's, as Greg would say, it's quick, smashable. Like you could drink a bunch of those without thinking about it, and it's just kind of creamsicle-y. Actually, might even be good, like just over crushed ice and stuff.
Well, it does say that you could just drink it. So.
Yeah. I would never drink Bayou on the rocks.
Well, I mean, there is Bayou Silva as well.
And I shouldn't say never. I'm a fucking incorrigible drunk, and I've drank a lot of dumb shit.
Usually the shit I make.
Only things I've ever refused to drink. And that one time I made a Manhattan Fizz was my thing. This is for the listening audience. I made a drink that was rye, vermouth, and egg white. And it was fucking disgusting.
Oh my god, why?
You were with me. And it was just because we were goofing around.
For those of you watching, that facial expression was, I have no memory of this place.
Yeah, it was. It is the only drink I've ever dumped untasted. No, I didn't. I did taste it. It actually didn't taste as bad as it smelled. But it smelled like bull semen.
For those of you who've never smelled bull semen,
It's vermouthy.
it's vermouthy. With a little bit of egg in there. Which is what gives it its cream. Also, easily the most expensive drink mix in the world.
True.
Speaking of bull semen, Barry Oyster.
Alright, wrap up this video with your signature catchphrase.